Hello everyone. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about the various graphs and charts. So here as you can see in the Excel sheet that here we have one graph. Then I have created four different types of data for different types of charts. So here we have one chart, then the another types of charts, then another, and this is one more graph. So how to create the charts, and depending on the requirement you can choose the design of the graph. So let's see how to do that. So first I have a weather, and in weather we have taken month and average temperature of that month, and based on that here we have a monthly average temperature for all the months. So like January 22, February, and here it is bifurcated by the color. So from the graph you can easily see that 43, that is May month, is the highest temperature, right? And the 18 is the lowest temperature in the December. So graph is actually a very useful thing where you can easily analyze the data. So let's see how to do that. So here we have the data. I am just copying this data in the new sheet. Okay, so here we have the data, and now how to get the chart. So first simply select the data on which you want to create the graph, then go to the insert menu, and insert menu, here you have a chart options, many chart options are there. First, because because you're a beginner, so go to the recommended charts first. So here it will recommend you that what type of different charts you can use for this type of data, right? So here different types of chart we have, like line chart, then cluster chart, then stacked area chart, funnel chart. So many different types. So I'm just picking this clustered column, and okay. So here you have a chart, right? It's very easy. Now after this chart you can apply some formatting as well. Like, see, here you have different colors, so you can okay, let me change the some style. Like, see, here you have different chart style. Let's say I'm picking this one, and here, okay, here you have different colors, right? So you can explore more. Here you have a different chart style like this many chart styles you have, right? And after this, after selecting the chart style, here let's say suppose you don't want this chart, this style, and you want to change this. So you can go to the change chart type, and from here you can pick another one. Like, let's say I want to take this one, I want to pick this. So simply select and click OK. So see, here you have a new chart, right? So it's very easy, and from the graph you can easily analyze the data, right? So this is about the weather one. Then there is a gender. So only for this portion I have created this pie chart, and the similar way, like go to the insert menu, and see, here you have different style. Like here you have a column and bar chart, then you have a line and area chart, then here you have a pie chart. Many different types of charts are there. You can utilize and you can use any of the chart depending on your requirement, right? So here it's a pie chart, then here it is a chart for 3 different columns, right? Like name we have, then gender we have, and age we have. So here automatically it will create the range. So let's see how to do that. I'm just copying this data in a new sheet. so can show you that how does it work. So first we will create the chart for just to check that how many count for male and female. So I'm just selecting the pie chart, and in case if it does not allow you to insert the chart, go to the recommended chart, select this recommended chart and see, here you have the recommended chart. And after coming here, go to the design and you can change the type, like I want a pie chart, right? So you can simply select the pie chart. So it is giving the count, automatic count, like by changing the style you can get the percentage, like 64% male and 36% female. You can identify it by the colors, you can differentiate it by the colors. Blue is for the female and orange is for the male. And it will create this chart in another sheet, right? Like we pasted, we have data in the sheet number 11 and it has created sheet number 12. Now you can copy this chart and paste it over here, right? So it's very easy actually. Now for the 3 different columns, like I want a range, like between so and so range, total females are this, the total female, total male. So how to do that? Select all the 3 range, go to the insert and of course recommended charts, and in recommended charts select anyone, then we will change the style, right? Okay, so I got this style, and then go to the change chart type and let's select any which you want to like see so many different styles. So it's a histogram, right? So I'm picking the histogram for this, and it will automatically create the range and particular count for that. So let me change the chart style, right? So see, when you move the mouse over here, it shows the age. For the age, there is a total 8 values for the range 17 to 30. For this, total 5, and for this, total 1 value. So this is the histogram. You can simply use it, right? Yeah, so it's a pie chart and this is the histogram. So here we had column chart, then here we have a pie chart and histogram, then here we have a line chart, right? Line chart, or mostly all the charts are more or less similar, but depending on the requirement and the ease of the analysis of data, you can pick the chart. This is a line chart, the same thing. I have taken date and expenses, so go select all the data, then go to the line chart and select this way, right? You can use any one, right? Yes, and then you can change its style, right? After changing the style, you can also change the color, right? Yes. So this is a line chart, and last I have a blood group. So here we have multiple groups, A minus, A plus, AB minus, negative, positive. Similar way, simply select the data, go to the chart, recommended chart of course. So here it is giving the column chart by default, but you can change it by going to the change chart type and pie chart, right? Pie chart you can use, also you can use the bar chart. So bar chart, and then you can change the color as well, right? Yeah, So it's about the, and then simply you can copy paste your chart in the sheet, right? Okay, so it's very easy. You can create different charts and graphs for your data to for the analysis purpose.